Today we are going to do Natarajasana. If you also feel or finding the difficulty to rotate the shoulder, so this video is really useful for you. Before finding this video, you must do some back bending posture, some hand rotation postures, which we already have done. So let's start the class. Stand it. Face on the left side. So we need a strap or a towel, whatever you have it. We will roll it like that. Okay. Now bend your left leg. See this one. Keep it up. Move the hands this way. Turn the hands on the back side. Hold it from here and right hand on your belly. With the breathe, straighten the hands first. Straighten the hands first. Now the way of rotating, we will try to must hands maximum closer, whatever our body allows. The first thing. Second, focus on shoulder. Move the shoulder, hands straighten. Try to leg up maximum. Straighten the hands, leg up, whatever your body allows. Focus to the shoulder. From the shoulder, bend your legs. Try to rotate. Find the balance. If you find the balance, then move the body down and pull the leg up. If you cannot find the balance, just find the balance first, then trying to lean the body in front, straighten the hands if you can. Breathe. One hand is enough. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now slowly bend your elbow. Both hands, Hatha. Stay. Breathe. So more. 5. That's good. 4. Chest open. 3, 2, and 1. Exhale. Come back. Release your right hand first. Then rotate the shoulder again. The way we're going to the posture, the same way we're coming back. Switch the side again. Facing this time. Yeah. Bend your right leg. Same way. Again from the right side. Same. We will bend the leg. Okay. Move the hands properly on the back side. This one. Rotate one. So opposite hand on your belly again. Hold the leg up first. Hold the leg up first. The same way. Don't try to direct rotate the shoulder. So first leg is going up. Focus on your shoulder region. Try to rotate from the shoulder. Straighten the hand. Straighten the hand. Try to rotate from the shoulder. When your shoulder is going to externally out, then bend it. Then elbows facing upward. Try more. Yeah, that's right. Elbows close towards the ear, if possible. Find the balance first. Then breathe. 1, that's good. Usum. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Both hands in. 5. Keep pushing back a little. 4, that's good. 3, 2, and 1. Release the left hand first. Then right hand will the same way. That's good. Exhale, release the body. Now counter pose. Move the body down. Bend the knee. Hold the ankle on the back side. Inhale. Exhale. Touch your stomach to the thigh. Legs straight. Slide the body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,